Hello YouTube people, welcome to Melvin Thinks. Very quick one for you today. How to clean chrome taps and bits and bobs. I've tried loads of stuff before, white vinegar, lemon, all the lotions and potions. They're not that great. I stumbled upon something online recently about using super fine 000 grade wire wool. So I'm going to give this a try right now with you. So I've got some wire wool. I've got a glove on just because the fibres can come off, so let's give it a go. Just buff it up, and that actually works a dream. No potions, no lotions, just a bit of elbow grease. I'll take a before and after picture in a few moments. Yeah, that's awesome. Pretty chuffed with that.